Hello, a bumpy week for energy prices. However, overall oil is up, whilst gas and electricity contracts are down. Let's take a look at the week's movements in some more detail. Front month Brent closed relatively flat on Monday, although prices started to climb in the afternoon due to concerns about the impact the latest hurricane may have on output from the Gulf of Mexico. Brent fell $1.73 per barrel on Tuesday, with global demand concerns being the main focus. Chinese imports rising less than 1% compared to the 7.2% in the previous month. Prices rose on Wednesday despite the EIA report showing an increase in US stocks. Both the EIA and OPEC have since reforecast their demand growth forecasts downwards. Brent jumped to $0.45 per barrel on Thursday as Hurricane Francine reached land. Nearly 39% of oil production in the Gulf of Mexico is currently offline. Last night, Brent closed at $72.23 per barrel, which is up $0.58 compared to last Friday. Most contracts rose on Monday as the system struggled to maintain balance throughout the day. A US LNG facility reduced its feed gas intake due to the current Cyclone 6 storm affecting the Gulf of Mexico. All contracts fell on Tuesday as the system was then oversupplied, as wind generation was forecast to rise over the rest of the week, well above the seasonal norm. Demand for gas generation was forecast to fall. Lower temperatures and wind generation outturning lower than forecast pressured prices higher on Wednesday. All contracts fell on Thursday as Hurricane Francine appears likely to miss the major LNG terminals. Last night, all contracts closed lower compared to last Friday. Winter 24 closed at 94.8 pence per therm and Summer 25 closed at 89.7 pence per therm. Prices tracked gas upwards on Monday. However, wind generation was forecast to increase over the rest of the week. Curve contracts fell on Tuesday, tracking gas downwards. However, there was some upward movement on the near-term contracts. Contracts were then mixed on Wednesday with bullish gas and bearish carbon in play. Prices tracked gas closely on Thursday, with all contracts losing value. And last night, front contract Winter 24 closed at £84 per megawatt hour, which is down £2.65 per megawatt hour compared to last Friday. You can download the full version of this market report from our website. Thanks for watching. See you next week.